students, today we will discuss about some multiple choice questions in C programming. You can see the first one. Here we have a variable representing the value 0, 1, 0. So before the value of 10 we have 0. This represents, this is an octal number. Or suppose if we have before some number 0x is there, then we can call that is hexadecimal. Only we have the number 10, or suppose this represents decimal. Here in this case, this VAR representing 010 octal number. This is representing octal number. So octal value 10 representing, so based on this you can take this is 0 into 8 power 0, 1 into 8 power 1, 0 into 8 power 2. So based on this we are getting the value 8 here. So the correct answer is B. The second one, you can see here we need to calculate this expression. Based on this we have operator precedence is for star slash first plus minus next, and for star slash is appeared here. So based on this the associativity is from left to right. The associativity is from left to right. So we need to take first, we need to calculate first 5 into 9. So we are getting 45. Then 45 by 3. Then we are getting 15. Then 15 plus 9. So we are getting 24. The correct answer is 24, C. So here you can see we have the value 5.3 percentage 2. So actually percentage operator will be used only for integers. So we need to take the expression like int percentage int. But here we have real value is there. So this is not possible. So we are getting compile time error. So the answer is D. In this you can see we have the number 100 we need to print, and we need to print in the form of character. So it will print the ASCII equivalent of 100. So the answer is C. And we have 5.0/2. Based on this is a real value slash integer value. So we are getting the result as real value. So here only one real value based on this 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So the answer is D. So here we have A value 10 and B value 5, and the expression should be plus A minus B. So plus A means we are getting plus 1 to A, the A value is 10, and minus B value is 5. So based on this we are getting 11 minus 5. So we are getting 6. So the answer is B. So here 4 greater than 5, it is looking not correct. So it represents a false value. False value generally we can represent with 0. So the answer is C. Which of the following is not a valid C variable name? So you can see here there is no special symbol dollar here. Actually we have int number is correct, float rate is correct, and int variable count is also correct because we are using here underscore is also correct. But dollar symbol is not available in the variable to represent a variable name. So the answer is D. This is not a valid C variable name. $main is not a valid C variable name. All keywords in C or in, simply we are having lowercase letters. All keywords are lowercase letters like int, float, char, like this. All are representing in lowercase letters. The answer is A. And you can see here I value is -3 and we are taking I percentage 2 -3 percentage 2. So this represents, this percentage is will use only remainder, so we are getting the result as -1. So 3, 2, so 2 1 2 we are getting, 2 we are removing, and here minus we are getting -1. So the correct answer should be -1. Thank you all. This is today's session. Thank you.